Welcome to my channel, Sparkling Glue. So glad to have you here today. I just thought I would do a share of something a little different. So how this came about is I was making a lot of SVG files, 3D cuts in Cricut Design Space, and I needed a place to maybe start putting some of the designs. This one I did for flowers, because they were taking up all my wall space. Anyway, so first let me just say this is from Shopopath. She's from Etsy, an amazing designer, and if you join her Facebook group, she gives a free design every month, and they're beautiful. Like, I mean, I think this one was over 16 layers. I'm not sure, but all of them, they're just stunning. Anyway, so I'll share her information below. All the designers in here, I will share the links that I have or how to reach them. Anyway, so this was made on Cricut Design Space, and what I ended up doing is I poured decoupage over it. And I don't know if you can see, it's totally hard now. And this was just from cardstock. Now I poured a lot, and I had to let it dry for a few days. It took a while. And if you look, there are some bubbles. Like, it's not perfect, but it was just something I wanted to try. And actually, I think it came out pretty nice. And then even like, this is the 3D, and the decoupage sunk into the layers, so it was really nice. Anyway, I ended up making a frame for it and gluing it on the front of the album for an album cover. And this is the album, and it measures, it's pretty big, almost like 9 by 9. I think the pages are a little smaller than that. The design of the album is from Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. Some of her pages, I did a blank base and then added. So anyway, I did the whole album in pink, and just covered the outside in black. This I made on Cricut Design Space. I think it's about 9 layers, and it was just from some things I found, some flowers and a bird I found on Design Space, and I can share my design file link below if you use Cricut Design Space, if you want to go on and print that one out. Anyway, so this is a gatefold page, and I didn't put anything in here yet. The paper was just really pretty. It's from Creative Fabrica, and I just did that. This paper on these 2 pages is Mintay paper, and it's called Blossom Serenity. I know this is like a mix mash of all kinds of things. I added some lace here. This is a flip up page, and this is a piece of this bench. I cut it out in Design Space, just this element, and then put some decoupage, not as thick, but it's still hard, on top of this. This page flips open. I think this paper is from Creative Fabrica. I don't remember, I'm sorry. This little flower, or big flower I guess, is from Etsy, and it's called WonderfulDesignsAU, and there's a few others in here with that, and they're kind of, so it's 3D, I don't know if you could see, layered, and then I ended up cutting it out. So that's that page. This is from BlueChickIvy on Etsy, and they have some really, really beautiful flowers. I mean, the irises and daffodils. Let me show. These are, I think, the Wonderful Designs AU again. And I ended up doing these really large and gluing them on a mirror, and it came out so pretty. But, and then, you know, everything is all SVG files from Cricut Design Space, so it's just layers and layers of paper. This is a little flower layered. This one is from Creative Fabrica as well. This is a bunch of layers. I don't know how well you can see it. Really pretty. This is from My 3D SVG. I have a lot of her designs as well that I've done in the past. This is just a flip page, and I must have had some scraps, extra paper from Knitwit Collections I just put on here. This poppies are from BlueChickIvy as well, and then I think this is drawn with the Cricut pen on here on the designs. Because it's not cut out. I don't really remember. And this is just a little gatefold page. I guess I had some extra paper. And this gladiola is BlueChickIvy as well. Anyway, but that is, so this way I had a place to store a lot of my little crafts that I've been doing and keep it in one book, all flowers. Anyway, I just thought I would kind of share that with you, maybe give you some ideas with decoupage. Just try different things and see what happens. I mean, the worst is it doesn't work and you don't utilize it again. Anyway, well, that was it. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm so glad to have you with me, and keep sparkling. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.